People say one decision can change your life. They were wrong. This is the story of a mango that changed everything.
Follow me!
Every morning in Mango Ridge begins a little differently. But this morning will become one the village would never forget. The sun rose over the hill. The village slowly woke, and life carried on as usual.
Come here, Pretti.
Then something stopped them both in their tracks.
See? See it again? Stop copy everything me do. Sit there. You do it again. Me say, stop copy me.
Mr. Anansi finally losing mine.
Losing mind.
Me warning you, one last time.
Ah!
Joe had seen Brer Anansi do strange things before, but never like this.
Morning, Mr. Anansi. Who you talking to?
Him.
Who?
Me shadow.
Joe looked twice, but saw only an ordinary shadow.
Why?
Because he want the Brer Anansi.
Him want be Brer Anansi.
That all?
That all? Joe, you know how long it take to become Brer Anansi? Whole week now. He must study me. He must plan to become me.
Him want be Brer Anansi.
Before long, the whole of Mango Ridge had gathered, not because there was trouble, but because whenever Brer Anansi was around, there was always a story worth watching.
Me have a plan.
What plan?
Me a go trick him. Move, go away. Me fed up you won't leave me alone. Watch me on shadow now. Oh, you reach up here so fast. Me finally trick him.
You're still there?
Ah! Me tired, I'm in shadow.
What a pretty mango.
You see that?
Mr. Anansi.
No matter what Anansi tried,
Go in.
his shadow simply wouldn't leave.
Shadow can wait, that mango cannot. Now, this is worth chasing.
Brer Anansi. Wait, it's just a mango.
Slow down!
Me almost have it. Come back here. How one mango can run so fast? Me alright. You can't fool me today. Me nearly reach ya.
Brer Anansi stops. The mango rests close to Papa Tuga's. Papa Tuga smiles.
Good day, Brer Anansi. Trouble already?
Pardon? No, me know you.
You remember me? We meet long time ago.
No, sir. Me really can't remember.
That alright. Sometimes we remember the fruit, but we forget who planted the seed. Many years ago, before anybody knew me was just one young turtle with one small dream. And that dream started right here in Mango Ridge. One day me plant one little East Indian mango seed. Enough people walk past it, but me believe it could become something special. Every day me come back, through hot sun, through heavy rain, me never stop taking care of it. Little by little, it grow tall. It give cool shade, and it fill every branch with sweet mangoes. Soon, everybody come. It feed hungry bellies, give weary people shade, and bring neighbors together.
That mango come from one little seed planted with hope and cared for with love. So all this time, you did all of that?
Yes, me friend. Every big tree start with one little seed, and every great blessing start with one act of kindness.
So, Brer Anansi, you really run all the way chasing one mango?
Boy, hush him out. Me never chase no mango. Me was conducting one very important investigation.
One small seed, planted with hope, cared for with love, can grow into a blessing for many. And sometimes, the greatest treasures aren't the ones we chase, but the ones someone planted long before we arrive. From one small seed, great things can grow.